Welcome to our culinary journey through New Zealand. You lot think you know food, yeah? Well, get ready to expand those palates because we're about to dive headfirst into Kiwi Kitchen, where the flavors are bold and the ingredients are fresher than my insults after a disastrous service. Today, we're exploring 5 traditional recipes that you simply must try. We're talking about dishes with history, dishes with heart, dishes that'll make you wonder why you've been settling for bland, boring grub all your life. So buckle up, you Muppets. Get your aprons on, and let's get this cooking show on the road. Right, you lot, listen up. Hang it, it's not just a funny word, it's a bloody institution in New Zealand. Imagine this, a pit oven dug into the earth, scorching hot rocks and hours of slow cooking. It's primal, it's raw, and it produces some of the most tender, flavorful food you'll ever sink your teeth into. We're talking about meat, veggies, all bundled up and cooked low and slow over those fiery stones. The heat, the steam, it all blends together, infusing the food with this smoky, earthy flavor that's out of this world. You won't find this in some fancy restaurant, no sir. This is real deal, passed down through generations, a true taste of Maori tradition. You think you can handle the heat? Then get your shovels ready. We're digging deep and uncovering the secrets of the hangi. Trust me, you'll be thanking me later. Paua, ever heard of it? Didn't think so. It's New Zealand's abalone, and let me tell you, this ain't your average shellfish. We're talking about a delicacy, a prized ingredient that'll have your taste buds singing. Now we're going to take this beautiful paua, tenderize it to perfection, and transform it into the most incredible fritters you've ever tasted. A little flour, a little egg, some seasoning. We're not messing about here. These fritters are all about letting the natural, briny flavor of the paua shine through. Crisp on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, these fritters are a taste of the ocean you won't soon forget. Serve them up with a squeeze of lemon and a dollop of something creamy, and you've got yourself a dish that's fit for a king, or a queen, or even a donkey. It's that good. Pavlova. This dessert is as elegant as its namesake, the legendary ballerina Anna Pavlova. Don't let the fancy name fool you, though. This is a recipe even a culinary donkey could master. We're talking about a crisp meringue base, light as a feather, and a cloud of whipped cream, all topped with fresh, vibrant fruit. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, a delicate dance of sweet and tart that'll have you begging for more. Now, the key to a perfect pavlova is all in the meringue. You want it crisp on the outside, but with a slight chew in the center. Get it right, and you'll be floating on air. Get it wrong, and it'll be flatter than my patience after a service from hell. So pay attention, follow the instructions, and you'll be serving up a pavlova that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Kumara, you say? Don't look at me like you've never heard of it. It's sweet potato, you numpties. But not just any sweet potato. This is kumara, a staple of Maori cuisine for centuries. This humble root vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse, packed full of vitamins and flavor. Roast it, mash it, fry it, the possibilities are endless. We're going to explore the versatility of kumara, taking it from a simple side dish to the star of the show. We'll start with a classic kumara mash, creamy, buttery, and oh so comforting. Then, we'll crank up the heat and roast it until it's caramelized and crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Trust me, you'll never look at a sweet potato the same way again. Think you know burgers? Think again. The Kiwi burger is here to blow your mind and redefine everything you thought you knew about this classic dish. We're taking the best of the classic burger juicy beef, melted cheese, fluffy buns, and giving it a distinctly New Zealand twist. And what's the secret ingredient, you ask? Beetroot, of course. Don't you dare screw up your face. This isn't just some random addition. It's what makes the Kiwi burger. Well, Kiwi. The sweetness of the beetroot, the tanginess of the burger sauce, the savory beef. It all comes together in a symphony of flavors that'll have you licking your fingers and asking for seconds. Oh, and did I mention the fried egg? Yeah, we're going there. Because why the bloody hell not? This is the Kiwi burger, mate, and we don't play by the rules. There you have it, 5 traditional New Zealand recipes that are sure to delight your taste buds. From the primal earthiness of the hangi to the sweet indulgence of the pavlova, we've taken you on a culinary journey through the heart of New Zealand. But this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of Kiwi cuisine out there waiting to be explored. So get out there, get cooking, and discover the magic of New Zealand's unique and delicious flavors for yourselves. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. And for God's sake, stop burning the bloody kumara.